An if-else statement in JavaScript is like asking the computer a question and telling it to do one thing if the answer is yes, true, and another thing if the answer is no, false. It's a way to make decisions in your code. Simple explanation. If something is true, do this. Else if it's not true, do that. Let's move to screen. Summary. Use if to check a condition. Use else to provide an alternative action. Thanks for watching. If you like the content, so please like and subscribe to channel.